Aner malaken yam ka nas diatin kontin barwa ni liwasame. An wale shanka dish ka paywell ron kina dangrawi de dish kajan paywell mani. Jo bana lingwasame ano aken yam chana ruac ka kui Nuer community kan konon yam gwasame bukon kula ruac kwar bul Nuer ka juba gore jen wo jin dere channel dere just support dere chom channel me Nuer on TV channel ko mi chete ko mi bare ja ka mala ko ji lerba lingwa se me no kenyam gore jen wo yam to kon ka tungwan long to lat ko dien tungwan on lat ko dien chana ruac no ke jen mission me ko gor kon lieng dien long ano de kon kelingan o ngum le ro de re wichin binemi ko tungwan lat ko dien kan war ko dien chana me chana je gwich ke ko bi kon de kamiji to re wiki juba na me awa ajen changan yam ko korun tungwan no bi political leader kabul Nuer community don worry ano biken mar kam ni ken biken alat ya chialing jena dan to ko mo ken kwar ne yangate gwas me ken wa ka kwar ti chodian lok chicken let kel ka jodan chalat jen changan yam ko bul Nuer community bikarian mat gwas kel ka bika rach ki buka kam yen biken alat akan ga kor gwan mi chuwo charu dien da siguru en daglo chika let kel barantama ja jojo no ken charin nyok mi mat ko a chika larno ken bul aluminium kon cha dek kon cha jacobi ko dan lokki ko dan nyir karo dan ken bul fash ken doran nyam e bul ken kon ben bul nyam ba kon ko ben kor bul jem ne yan tam kwar bul Nuer charo den kap wasame neme a reconciliation meeting michi tugre wiki juba loñ mara ka tuong na me ka changa ngwan ka pai waron kina dangrawi jan dangrawi dich wa michi kwar bul Nuer charo den matin ka chigaro den chal gwat kel wa in that event it has brought together some of the most powerful and respected figure from the bull community Nate wanted to boom along to boom the Kendra community, a Bull Nuer community, watching a Ben Kel and Wenamo. Watch Honorable General Bapin Mindwell Wijang, Tatin, Ambassador Tut Galwak Manime, Tatin, former Governor Dr. Joseph Ngwen Mindwell Wijang, Tatin, Lieutenant General Tayyip Galwak Tai Tatin, Kuchiang Kwol Gao, Honorable Kuchiang Kwol Gao Diet, Tatin, Major General Malo Chilling Maliet, Tatin, Major General John Bull Mayak Reka, Tatin. Canada T, Kia Kwarnen Konga T, Ka Quarter Tikashur Ditangaika. This name represents both political and military leaders who in the past did not always agree with each other. They had differences, different view, different camps, and sometimes even open conflict. La terke kam ni ken ke la karena, de ko larno la nyinga kam ni ken. Take disagreement on one and wo chicken la kel kan kwar bul Nuer. No. Ne de security no. Chicken look ko gamber no baren mat ku community ka. But in this meeting they all decided to set the political differences aside. And they have to work together for one cause, the future of the Bull community. That is one thing they agree on. Kenene Bull Nuer come first. Bull Nuer community bedil ben Kenyam. Again, when chicken lat slogan dien, reconciliation kill when mara manan chicken cholkaja. Kolunikan mara. Michit kaname, mugi corner. And will be not big a mat, no the medid. This slogan, Bull First, this slogan carries a strong message. It means that before politics, before position, before personal interest, the Bull community must come first. Awa balar no Bull kenyam, awa amidi long. Awa Bull kon beninjan ka politik, kon beninjan ka komanan kami, kon beninjan ka wajiran menguri. Bull community ajenan nyam ka Bull Nuer community. Ka jawran kalat gwasem ne kalat no chikete mat, chikete mar, kan chikete unity. Ko ngai kon diala no are Nuerin tam chete distraction midi long. Ngai kon unity state before wajen take division midit tell mal mid ten na ka conflict kamikel tell michal development bo in distraction ten rai which me but right now a Bull community charan gujano michiga ben gwa kel no de kan midi de kan wang michir na me ne rwan ngat kan no michi Bull Nuer community kan desar no bika rudin mar lakel wow na me magwa asyang magwa you know it gave up by the way no hope jagna ko bikara ngajeno men gwan yen long amar amal ko de na de jal kel Bull community kan ko ken tianendo saren mat ken goro bi jal kel ci do badan gui keneja. So why is this reconciliation so important then? First, because disunity has always been one of the biggest problems in South Sudan. Leaders from the same community often fight each other instead of working together, and when leaders fight, the people suffer. Second, because the Bull community is very influential in South Sudanese politics, when Bull leaders are divided, it weakens the Bull community. But when they are united, their voice becomes strong in Juba and across the country. Third, because you want to bring peace, and peace is what the people need, the most right now is unity. People need peace. People need unity. For too long, the people have been displaced. Children have grown up in refugee camp. Mothers have carried heavy burden because of war. If leaders truly reconcile, then maybe the cycle of pain can be broken. Unity state karwari kon ngajen wotere rikana ko koruntu ngwatena ka you know IDP camp chang refugee camp ne dia tuike aka ngam to koro misheda me ngunongo mo misheda me be ngajen no me nongo wo ken leader to kuyengal nen gwasmeti keneden content ku kurle la to so mi kala no biken te kamal biken te kamat so na a good sign emugwa you know. Let us take a moment to look at the key figure in this reconciliation, right? General Bapin Minchwel Wejang is a long-time political and military leader. He has played a big role in national politics. Honorable Ambassador Tutgalwa Manime is a senior government official who has been very close to President Salva Kiir Mayardit, often working as a mediator in peace talks. Dr. Joseph Ngwen Minchwel Wejang, the former governor of Unity State, is another influential figure with a big following. Lieutenant General Tayyip Galwak Tai Tai is known for his role in the military. And Honorable Kwichiang Kol Gaudet, Major General Malo Chiling Malit, and Major General John Bol Mayak Riaka are also respected leaders within the community. Seeing all these key figures, these names coming together in one place, speaking with one voice is something many people thought might never happen. This is why the event is being called historic. The reconciliation in Juba is not the end, it is only the beginning. According to the organizers, more reconciliation programs are planned. Other senior elders and leaders from the Bull community will also be brought in. The goal is to make sure that unity is spread across all levels of leadership, from the top politician to the grassroots. If this process continues, the Bull community can set an example for the whole country that peace began with reconciliation, and reconciliation began with putting people first. Menen kono me ko korgon ber no ken all these leaders in tan gwasme ken chikalet ken carry knock, you know, for too long. South Sudan has been torn apart by division. Leaders fight for power while ordinary people pay the price. But today, the Bull community has shown that reconciliation is possible. The slogan Bull First is not just about Bull people, it is about reminding all of us that our community must come before politics, that peace must come before war, and that unity must come before division. We hope that this reconciliation will hold and that other communities across South Sudan will follow this example. Ni kon mo waseme ata dana ci community ti tarin mat ko la ro speech am tan mo roj kan gadatin kon yaren mat ke kwar of course ticket pin Kim Yadit, right? Ke part of SPLM under Kim Yadit no kan quarity tinen yin tin waseme let can pin Kim Yadit. But one thing me la very clear gen ala kwar mi charin mat chikaren malora bang wete mi chikan neno me bej me beka jako chaka buno men gwa dia jor. One thing am be clear ko kon tela kwar de je no ko teme charan mat but something me wrong jatin mi bej mi chitu ka ke mo go ko no be kana cover up ke betekate ko ken latin. Number 1 ngaje no kan kwar de alti chaka watch chikan teme chikan tanin chika kwar but of course ke very powerful people chicken we South Sudan chicken again chicken tong wana long te yakuma ko be chongba ka Kim Yadit chicken karyaleka. And these are the people that are driven United State people. Canadian content Nuer United State Canadian. These are the people who shaped United State politics can peace process that latke alaken ko ka powerful long Michigan do when they say something it has to be implemented because Canada to take power politically, militarily, everything taken get power thing. So they shape United State. Naka korban bari kono no United State ne dial chang ne kem. E benam mala kwa dio dia da larno ngum to kon ko kon kwar ne kon chen kono ro fiji kem ken chuch ken katalam lel kon. Jarama ka jale jelga dagla ni chaje gurno de kamat. What do you think? Den go jeno dera gwa dio jena me der la me bej ki mi jek mi chede gwa so dien ling no no mat quartity che jek madien gwaye gor kon mal gor kon unity even though take a pinkir mi Yadit you know man biya wol ngaje na tell me latke akumi kir mi Yadit abaken shiwote mi tipin mi gade shake influence ke chika la do burin mat chika ren malora bang mat korin ka something remember Shireng Machar right now right corner to take a power medit ka United State near content ka DP cam no Shireng Machar right now so gadi political they will fail ko ngai kono ko lat korodien unless chicken move me chicken kula mega no mat korodien dong de kula tika wang de kula tika ekwel mi de kula jalga je ko when election come the beje lunka tana it doesn't matter whether take a power when it come to be people big take a power jin point power you could take jimo anything that you have will be useless it will be nothing ko can you use and obineg bugal work but when it is time for election you want to come to the community telling them that support me while during the time of their suffering you cannot even show up you don't even feel what they are feeling the situation that they were going through. So charge with no ken. Ban move me move gwa jok no mat karodian ko chicken bit tiare ko when ngai kono tu kware gan tiare a take rik ngwana to a so jo me der gwan wo de kon linga tadan en chalat keje ke sha non keje en o chi quality charge en mat kel ka chicken goro buga chong ka do mi gwi kenen wo buga chong ja en ona gwaye bana wo kamando dien gwa me gor kon de kon gwi wuda me e kwang chorale jen chaja kwany la kwone gwan me shuwa but right now kwang chorale the tell power ta kwang chorale chaja wuch chela ramimo chele tike powerntem ban ngada kelene na kwang chorale me kwanye meran kwanye ko jente ka long okay but right now chu kwang ke joje no chele teramimo mi chung kel ke je ka Kir mi Yadit cause cha power dam che ke cha je wo cha je le yor tong mi then cha la nung ra dien ram cha nungo o be lat Kir mi Yadit bakalat jen do be dan le roda ban ngada jen wona ne kina chungun gwasu no jin mi chaji wo ci tam ni je tok kenyam bi Kir bi la dika after that chikir hi la dika dun chital power then baji joj chu kang chora le right now cha je kwal pin cha jen cha wo ka juba without any power dan te je already little power ne ring wan cha la do ne na cha kang chora le cha ju lor bang wa wo je jen ko take a reason mu wo ki jena wa kana mat kene kin yadi chalaro je dey ne ring wan la eye witness de ka collect de ka go den de ka na ka juba de ko testify against him wana mo chala do cha lo ka jan chala do ne na cha gurno bine dial bika testify against queer ana ngai kona la petroleum minister pot kang chol wane dial de ke chong ana ke kir de ka larno wude me menen kontour na mo gwad men wud mi je nyen do ba lat keneja kene pot kang chol de ti dial de ko ro wi de je yen wi kono mo gwa dera mo gwa I don't think so na me shi mo gwa ko jin mi ba ji use no neng neku then after that ba ju no chitalot chikan tama an wudi shalka me kang chorale power che to already tele power te gen tam bo me dane te je me la raje je chetel jele je na tamare yike juba ko che ore yike juba we kir mi yadi we je larngu we je laro chilo de te ko che kwany te chane ka chegana but yet tele power mi jel ke je power cha je tup cha kam wudo dien mu ga jamo wajen gorga jen wo dong te dero la re wichin winemi of course I will power is no longer in the power right now taram te ka power but gorga jen wo jen badaman ba jo chocolate ala potka gorga jen be dial ba kolat ko ci potkang no sharar che benen jen do budan le rode ngai kone a ci kong chora le che te be jen mu telet kan wori na dan che nang na yot ke je kir mi yadit ka final charge bun wuch chara din cha la kwany je kop dollar jen cha kwany tama lo bala ramadan am dong bilat kim yadit be jalalat but to project tin ka ne content to kill ke kir mi yadit special di unit state di jonglei state ko ne di alti ba ka project ko ken biken reng machar no biken witness ka biken ko dong to bi bilat no reng machar am je reng machar china mele and all that ba mai kono ne me chi chuang ka chimu ko Ramadan and la suspect men loketama men gorke de yen a potkang ramedit potkang chele de long you know mu bu kon ngach potkang la mo na dul gorka chagwar mo na ko jena rami mo min ngai tindi alat ko rien chagalat jena kwal jela no ko je ano baje ko nyala kur ke spelling aigo under Dr. Machate ta ko lora bang pa ngeje ko jen cha mugwa cha nen ke je cha power mugwa cha nen ke je la luang ability je ta dan le ke je ta dan roje je me de luang kana cha nga je no jen ara mugwa me de so dan de je nan ko mugwa but ko na ngaje no challenge nan te men te pot kang tin wala pot kang chol jen chelet ke ki malka la peace process lat kare wika so sudan cheletten yere dial chegalat jen chelet along gwade da ne ngai kon diala no melat ke tuman peace initiative jala jakamo ke jen chaje kon la petroleum minister chaje kon loro bangala petroleum minister kwanye ko jen te ka long mitegaje long mo jen ne kwala no kaje ko jin mi ngaji raj ngaji na ndere lat ngaji rolo so ngai kon no potkang la voice of the youth la voice ne diara yuka so sudan I remember jo rajatin ano kanasir gwade da ne cha cholten jela no ne ka bana gwade me beje long pin ko de ne ben wajen go yen wajen bana baga bisias kanasir o gwade da ne lat ke maltin mal nuere me cha writing strong message da ne jetup cha ngaje no potkang kwar rami bum bum no badil gor an nuere ke ga so ran kelyo bana mo jala red flag kaje kodi lo kaje cha gurno jende potkang de jenen cha guru potkang de jenen won ba no ko nuare jem le ne tam mate ka gan war me ngai dor cha no ko ne tin ko ken la gwe no ramme mu we wo bom you know be chene ke reng machar be chene de bom bom ni ko ken and then cha je bulon ko wo kaje ka bunwar bi ka tega je ba lo bala ja ramadan bi ken ponde na den cha tiele mo cha je nun ko ba potkang ba je lok ban mo potkang yo kere ron ke ti diala kono lede a meji kuri to nasir shawi de cha lele cha nyo mu kam jeng ti dial ono jen jak community ko be nyinyo e ke kum kirm yadit, which was wrong. And more accusation jen ki de kolar no e kaj pot kang take juba jene de juba bo wo kanasir be kur be joto anyok tele reason mon mo der ko der je to ko jente malka le nyen mala ce te gade diale ko na lat ko rodi community kan ite konte gujeno ci cianke bec and instead wo dong de gujeno ci community ci ga chol ci ga na ci kan chol no mala be ci ajangni kwang chorale ko bana ba ko nek ano entame bel lat ka je wi potka ne me mutuo potkang e Minister of Petroleum e wun mu bum kajen kwany kaje ala Minister of Petroleum ke ticket kum es filayo ko jen te ka long machanen kaje ta dan te kaje o jen chalan mi di chaje lat ko be so Sudan be unite but chaje look Minister of Petroleum potkang has faced many challenges Anjen manyam falling oil price affected government revenue me dan te kwerka ka tai dan me jo kwerka je ke challenge to wante je ko ngai kono no ala yoten kono la ko petroleum to ko ala ka nyok che to wante ga nyoko jigbo oil pollution in United States cause anger among communities. People complain of contaminated water, destroyed farmland, and health problem. Corruption and mismanagement in the oil sector made it difficult for him to bring really change. But wajen iti dialati kana kalwang but tiri dial tigari alaka jene kula tagaje kawo bala Ramadan lat ka tidial potkang chetun wan chagalat your corruption ka oil sector tidiri alaka ya tay dana de oil pollution da na daga yar ka jere which win me ki state chagari alaka bana tidial to go tijalat but it can acknowledge in a state chaw no weakness nika bana me chi jendam dini jen potkang aram kel michilare long ban nyer ke je kote kel ke Dr. Machar telum da dien mi ko jemi mi potkang atama ken wale mi lar je no chete kel ke Dr. Machar dien nen men kam ge jarar no ko policy testify against Dr. Machar dien nen men kwa je release but potkang dem no. One thing that makes Potkang different is that he is still young compared to most South Sudanese politicians. Many youth in South Sudan see him as a symbol of what the new generation can achieve. They say if Potkang become a minister in his 30s, then maybe other young people can also rise to leadership. He often speaks about youth empowerment, education, and peace. He encourages young people not to be silent but to participate in building the country. At the same time, some critics accuse him of forgetting his root. They say he's now too close to the system and no longer challenge corruption the way he used to. This is a balance he must maintain being a government minister while he's still holding the trust of young people. But take one thing corner chalat. La region wajen charoda choke system ta take system wajen chata dan na wani amuje chejepel but jen ta dan potkang ko ramimo micha nok ene dial tagu jeno jen kanetin dinikan tigake mi yadi da wakret ajen minen yena tama ta go potkang de je luñ go jeno tidial de ga ladwide riga dan jito ga nasir and all that but potkang is a very powerful young man bidi diala ti baga jaka o bika go jen ne dani jela to no be so dan be jen change so jen pi dare wi ka so dan ngaje ko diala kon in chito ngaje de diala kon lat krodian and nothing mudeja ger katin kon lat krodian a potkang rami bum ti diala ti lat wi de ti bika to ya mun to no jen bala rami mo me ba chot pinke ba yen ngai kon dialen gore wi ka so dan tungwan charen lat ti chimen sap anta right now chum right kon tem ano potkang rami mo mu gorga no de yen gorga jela to batte be mun to ko jen tele mi jeng mi chalat chenga kel ban nyer ke je ko jen te ka jow ka te ka long ti dial tele ko ram mo shugwar ka ngeje ta dan let politic rode ga je mater me de dal te dial to ka te den so potkang ajiram dan cha tung wan cha ga lagwide ko mo da ba ka overcome ko gwasen be gwaye en ban le je ka le rodien bi ate ko mal babay